Today, Luciano decided it was going to be Ninja Day. And since we both have ninjas, we both have multiple ninjas, we decided to make it the mid-size ninjas. Now, he's got big ninjas, 1000cc, little ones, 400cc. I have two. This one is a 750, a GPX 750R Ninja. And no matter what ninja you have, and no matter what color it is, when you can get two or more ninjas together, we call it a Ninja Day. And we have done this similar things in the past. We have a few laughs about it, but it always turns out to be just a lot of fun. And in this case, more fun than I expected. This is truly Ninja Day. Ninja 1 and Ninja 2. Are you going to be Ninja 1 or Ninja 2? Oh, this looks good. You got it all cleaned up. Nice. Nice, baby.
I gotta use this tomorrow too.
Bikes and breakfasts tomorrow. You want to go to Pagoda? Get the 2 strokes?
I'll see.
See, if you want to go with the 2 strokes, I'll get the 2 stroke ready tomorrow. That's nice.
I'm afraid I'm gonna get stuck on the road.
Oh, you big baby. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good.
The thing is reliable. You don't get stuck on the road.
I never get stuck, unless I get stuck. Yeah, this came out nice. Very nice, very nice. Everybody's jealous of you. As he always does, Luciano did a really nice restoration, nice and clean. The paint all matches. I know he upgraded quite a few of the things. I think the only thing left is that speedometer, and I have to congratulate him. This is a beautiful and a great running 600 Ninja, a really nice one. What year is this? Oh, yours is newer than mine.
2002.
A 202, and that's an 89. So, but it's Ninja Day, baby. Ninja Day with Luciano.
I gotta replace this. That's where it came. It's all cracked.
Oh, it's cracked. Yeah, I see that.
You know how much this piece here?
Yeah.
$100.
Oh.
I can't find used.
You can still get parts for this though, right?
Oh, absolutely.
See, mine, I can't get parts. When you call Partzilla, they laugh at you. They go, get a newer bike.
No, you can find parts.
Yeah, some anyway. Yeah. Not all though. How many miles you got? I can't see the...
9,000.
9,000?
11.
11? This is going to be 38 by the end of the day. Coming up on 38. Looks good, baby. Looks good. It's Ninja Day.
I found a piece. It came from AirTech.
What'd you miss a piece?
For the FSR.
Oh, that little piece you had to get from Germany? How was Italy? A good time? You had fun?
From Germany didn't fit to the bike, so I had to order something.
I had a Luciano this morning. A guy cut me off on 17. Oh man, did I have a... Now for reference, Luciano just got back from Italy where he had a close call with a car chasing him down the highway in Rome there or whatever. And I just had a really, really close call coming up here to Choppers today.
So the one I got for AirTech is nice.
Yeah, that silver is nice. Man, silver.
How you will remove this stuff here?
What's that? What are you trying to do?
Specks of paint.
Yeah.
How you remove it? I'm afraid to use it.
I don't know. I'd be afraid to use it too, yeah. Try soapy water maybe. Like,
scrub a sponge.
If it makes the thing dull, try one little spot with a Q-tip first.
Scrub a sponge.
Yeah. That looks good, baby. I'm proud of you.
Look at this handle.
Yeah, a little toothbrush. Maybe a toothbrush and some 3M.
With the sandpaper.
The Scotch pad? No sandpaper. You hardly notice it, but then when you're looking for it, yeah, that's...
It comes off with the finger.
If you take a Q-tip maybe and just look with your fingernail even.
Yeah.
Oh, it comes off. Wait. I got almost all off with my fingernail.
Keep it doing it.
No, yeah, pay me. Pay me. One pizza, it comes right off with your fingernail. Look.
Okay.
You got no fingernails anyway. Really good tip. The overspray came right off with my fingernails. I don't know about his. I don't know. Got it on the blinkers and everything. Jeez. Yeah, there's some on the tail light too. Jeez. Couldn't you put a towel or something over it? Well, you don't know.
Well, I don't know. That's the way I got it.
Yep. Still looks good. I think you could get $600 for it right now.
300.
Pokey will buy it from you.
Oh.
And the weather was just perfect. Just could not have been a nice day. Notice, not a cloud, not one cloud in the sky. Not one. So it was just a beautiful weather day. Just couldn't have a nicer weather for this time of year. And of course, the Ninja, always a good friend. He's been a good friend for a long time too. And all that time I spent restoring this bike over that cold, frozen winter, it all paid off today. So there's something about the Ninjas. There's something about every one of these older bikes in my collection. They're fun to ride. The newer bikes, a little bit safer, a little bit better, traction control and stuff. But these old bikes, they really get your blood pumping when you get out in the twisties. And that, to be honest, the fun of riding motorcycles, this is the essence Older bikes to me are the essence of riding motorcycles. Modern bikes have all the features and all the safety things, and yeah, they're maybe this or maybe that, but there's something about older bikes, and I really don't know what it is. And thanks so much for watching.